got my new DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. This is the Fly More combo kit. We're gonna open this sucker up. See what all we got in there.
Careful with that knife.
So, right off the bat, even smells new. I like that. See if I can get this, try and get this bad boy out. Feels like there's something in here too. Okay. Let's see what that is in here. Just a second. Okay. So right off, we got our carrying case. That's pretty cool. Considering my new Nikon camera didn't come with a case like this. Pretty cool that my drone did. One less thing to have to buy. Alright, everything fits in there pretty nice and compact. We've got our drone. Got the lens cover. You see all that. I'm not going to go into the intricacies right now. We'll just we're just gonna see what all we got in the box here for today until I get a chance to charge this bad boy up. And let's see, it's my dog. Scared of the thunder. We're starting to get a thunderstorm. He's scared of the thunder. So here's our battery. Charging cable.
Okay.
You're okay, Chase. You're okay. You're okay. Needs reassurance. Second battery. So our kit's got 2 batteries, charging cable, drone, and this also goes with our charger right here, another part of the charger. All right. And this is going to be our controller for our drone. And this slides out to insert your phone. I'll show you that later because right now I'm recording with my phone. But you can see your phone just slides in here. And let's see, what else do we got? Not quite sure what this is. It's a moment. Let's see. I got it. Oh, it's got a little. Has a little inside pocket on the inside of the flap here. You can see that. And it feels like that might be where. Okay. Got some more stuff in here. So this has a little case here. Open that up. This has our optical lens. Oh, I can't think of the name right now. This is your lens covers. Part of the drone. It's got 3 different ones. Obviously, you can buy more. Charging cord. Yep. These are your joysticks. And these basically just screw in right in here. So there's your joysticks. What else we have in here? Getting a little warm. This is another little charger. To figure out what that goes to. Alright, and I'm gonna take a bet that this box most likely, let's see, figure out how to get this open. This box. Okay. So here's your manuals for your drone. Nothing in there. And your propellers. And this particular kit, I believe, comes with 10. I'm not going to take them out of the package at the moment, but here's your propellers. 2 packs. So you got a lot of extra propellers. Obviously it uses 4, but so you have a lot of extras, which is good because these are like $12 a pop if they get messed up or damaged or bent or anything like that. They're about $12 a piece. So that's kind of cool. And this Fly More combo, it comes with all these lenses. Oh, I see here. That's what this is. I just figured this out. So this little strip here that I wasn't sure what it was, that's your battery charging tray. So that's what. So I guess if you bought a third battery, well, you could actually charge 3 on this strip here, which is pretty cool. This must be the charger for your. I see it in front of the controller. So this must be the charger for your controller. So, but we'll get all this figured out, and when I get a chance, it's raining today, so when I get a chance to get outside on a nice day and test this out up on the football field where it's nice and clear, we'll see what this thing can do, and I look forward to making a lot of cinematic videos and photos for our channel to better our channel for you guys. So there you have it. That's what's in the Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo box. Really excited to put this thing together and practice with it and figure out how to use it. Test flight in the books.